Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to fix the not a valid boarding card error on Wizz Air in 2025. This problem can pop up at the airport or in the app, but I will walk you through the solution step by step so you can board your flight without stress. So first, make sure you have actually complete online check-in, and if you haven't, your boarding pass will be invalid. You open the Wizz Air app or websites, log in, go to the My Booking, select your flight, and complete check-in by entering your travel details. Once confirmed, download or save your boarding card again. Sometimes the boarding pass QR code uh, become outdated if the airline changes your gate time or aircraft. The fix is simple: go to the Wise Air app or website, open your booking, and tap get boarding pass again to refresh it. Make sure you save the new version to your phone or print it out. Sometimes some airports or countries don't accept mobile boarding pass. They require a printed one, and if your airport falls into the category, you will need to print it out yourself or get it printed at the Wizz Air check-in desk. Be aware, Wizz Air may charge a fee for printing at the airport if you don't check in online in time. So contact Wizz Air support. If none of these steps work, contact Wizz Air customer service and via their apps, chat, and social media or airport decks. Give them your booking reference and ask for a reissues boarding pass. They can usually fix the issue in a minute. Always complete check-in the at least 3 hours before you flight to avoid issues, and keep both digital and printed copies of your boarding pass as a backup. If using your phone, make sure your screen brightness is high so scanner can read your QR code. And that's it. So you know now how to fix the Wise Airport not a valid boarding card error in 2025. Hope you are enjoying this video, and if this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe the channel.